Go, Richard, do it, please.
For the comedy
Do it.
factor.
Oh, don't
Just do it, quick.
Just do the first couple of.
And you have to
Just
do
do
a
what you
donkey
know.
dance as well.
No, you can sit there, it's fine, just do
What you
it.
know. We're not here.
Well, that was. Oh, fuck's sake.
Come on, Richard, just do it.
Just the first couple of sentences,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go on.
He knows you better than me, I think you should get him to do it.
Yeah, but he can't do the accent, you do it, come
Yeah,
on.
you know the old come on hours or something. You want to do it with me, yeah?
No, I can't do it.
You absolute fucker!
Do it.
Oh, because I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key.
And again, one more time, go on.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Is that really worth it, then?
I haven't getting paid for this.
Oh, I don't care, come on.
Oh, because I got a...
Gotta do it.
Oh. It's worth it just for that one sentence.